The idea for this series began with a friend talking about how sad it is that so many people in the world don't have meaningful connections in their lives. We can see this reflected on a grander scale between countries, that lack of personal connection, dehumanizing others. So, what can you and I do about it? Well, where's our seat of power? Within ourselves, which means good news. We don't have to wait for anyone else to give ourselves permission. It's up to us. Hi, everyone. It's Genene, and I'm excited to introduce my new 30-day yoga journey to you. If you're watching this in real time, you're invited to kick off the new year by practicing a new 30-minute yoga class with me every day for 30 days. Our theme this year is meaningful connections. We'll be using our yoga practice to create deeper, more meaningful connections with ourselves and also with each other around the world. Each week, we'll focus on a new area to create more meaningful connections. We'll go over that in day 0 in more detail. Get ready to grab a friend or a stranger for day 29 because we've got a partner yoga class for you. And day 30 is all about creating a deeper connection with yourself. I hope you'll show up to practice and go on this 30-day yoga journey with me. Sometimes we feel like we're being pulled in so many different directions that we feel detached from our individual selves and from others. This journey is an opportunity to use our yoga practice to consciously deepen all of our relationships in new and deeper, more meaningful ways. Please sign up. I'll put the information down in the description and invite your friends. I can't wait to share this journey with you. See you on the mat. Namaste.